Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedworks here. Today we're here to talk about something we've already talked about, but we have a bunch of new updates and changes, so we're making a whole new video for it with a bunch of new information. This is kind of our version 2 for all the information on our adapt clutch weights. 4 new part numbers for this year. Their base weight of 55 grams, 61 grams, 66 grams, and 72 grams. All of those weights you can add up to approximately 10 grams of weight. These are our 3 weight adjustment kits right here. You have your tip weight adjustment, you have your steel insert that will travel through the body of the clutch weight, and then you have your brass insert that will travel through the body of the clutch weight as well. Here I'm going to screw in this brass insert to show you once it's seated in there. You've got to be screwed in far enough to clear the roller. So right there, that's what we would call our flush setting. It's flush with the heel end of the weight. That's our home, or what we refer to as a lot of our kits as flush. That's what that setting is. And then you can see the tip weight adjustment here. You can do screws, you can do set screws, and you can add washers to the screws as well. So again, we have a 55 gram base weight, a 61 gram base weight, 66 gram base weight, and a 72 gram base weight. You can add it up to approximately 10 grams of weight to each of them. That should cover pretty much all your needs. There is a new application chart. It's basically showing all the models, all the elevations, all the applications, showing you what we recommend for a base based off of the stock chart. And then on top of that, we also have all of our performance clutch kits available on our website, and there's more and more of them becoming available every single day. Like we just released like 8 or 10 new specs and setups for the 800s, whether it be a ZR or Riot or the M models at low elevation or all the way up to 8,000 feet. We've released a bunch of that stuff. So again, this video is primarily about the adapt weights. Got the new adapt primary clutch that everybody's been ranting and raving about. Great new clutch out there on the cat models, and the Speedworks had fully adjustable weights for them. So check them out on the website. If you guys have any questions, let us know.